My dear students, congratulations to all of you. You have been doing your best all through as students, more so in particular for the last 2 years. Most of you have been told that your career is nearly going to be defined as far as its direction is concerned when you do the plus 2. This has been the experience of almost every student. I'm sure you have put in your best for the last 2 years. In addition to what you did all these 10 years of schooling. These 2 years have been really critical because this is the phase at which you define your direction. In other words, somebody wants to do medicine, somebody wants to do engineering in the IITs, somebody wants to do his or her, say, studies in basic sciences, in ICERS. So you had different goals or different directions to pursue. Just dreaming something that is not enough, is not adequate. You must have a thought, you must have a plan, you must have an action. Then only the end result can be what you aim to get. For example, if somebody wants to do well in whatever, the following few aspects are very critical. Why do you want to do a certain thing? Where do you want to do? When do you want to do? How do you want to do? All these aspects are critical. Otherwise, if you are doing the wrong thing at the right time, or if you do not know what resources you have to use, or when should you really spend a lot of time on learning, when should you consolidate your learning, when should you have practice so that your behavior in the exam is properly conditioned, when should you build your confidence. These are all things that are very critical to a successful journey. In that sense, your efforts done in the right sequence with the right resources could only give you success. I'm sure you did it with all your best capabilities involved in the exercise. I'm sure your parents deserve equally great appreciation and congratulations. You know, the parent's dream is always to see that the child lives better than the parent himself or herself. There are only two sets of people who are not your competitors in life. One is your parents, the second one are your teachers. The teachers want students to be better than the teachers themselves in terms of their achievement, and the parents want children to be better achievers, with greater happiness, and students who, when evolve into adult citizens, should be doing good to themselves and to the society. Therefore, these are people who wish you do better and not your competitors. So continue to respect them, take their advice, and follow the rich experience that they carry with you. Ultimately, it's you who make your life, but their experience helps you to make right decisions. My dear young friends, you have passed this exam, maybe IIT JEE or NEET or whatever other exams like KVPY and so on. This is only the beginning. As you grow up, you get into bigger challenges. It is like climbing a hill. There is less space on the top than at the bottom. As you climb, you will be reaching greater heights, but your stability is less and less compared to the stability you have when you are at the bottom. So you have a big responsibility. Fortunately for you people, the coming century or so could be a great opportunity. Whatever developments in science and technology has happened, probably in the last 100 years would happen in the next 10 years. Therefore, opportunities for you to explore will be enormously great compared to the people who were your predecessor, your elder brothers or your parents. You have more opportunities. The next important thing is you should always remain focused on your goals. Dreams are important, but rattling does not help you. Have a thorough plan and be steady in whatever you want to do. Respect values. That can only make your journey very peaceful. Otherwise, you get into stress, you get into anxiety, you get into all sorts of things that will obstruct your journey from being rewarding. The next thing is, okay, there are plenty of opportunities. Don't always ask what does it mean to me? What salary will I get? What will I get at the end of the day? Why should I do this? Also keep in mind, along with this, I don't say don't have that, along with it, what you really can give back to the society, because we are all products of the environment where we live in. This environment is a contribution of so many people around us whom we can't even see, we can't even imagine who they are. Let's all build a society. There's something called a systemic thinking. What you do here affects something somewhere else. Therefore, we should be conscious citizens, particularly when you become scientists, engineers, and whatever other, say, professional practices you do. Be very responsible to the society and the environment which has nurtured you. And so many people have made sacrifices for your studies and success. You can't directly help them, but when you help others, the society, it reaches all of them. And a healthy society is extremely important. You always think that the domain expertise is very important. To get this marks in my IIT JEE, I must get this score. Or I must get this much score to get a seat in the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. No doubt, domain knowledge is important. Nobody would dispute it. But domain knowledge is not the be-all and end-all of things. Domain knowledge contributes to, according to some survey reports, less than about 30% of your success. The other things are learnability, vision, team tasking, and so on. Therefore, learn to carry people with you all through your life, be it professional or otherwise. And what kind of jobs you people get in the next 10 years, 20 years is anybody's guess. Nobody knows what kind of jobs will be there. Therefore, apart from your domain expertise, acquire a high degree of learnability. Anything needed to handle real life problems, you should be able to acquire. That comes by extremely good skills which build your so-called learning to learn. If you learn to learn, you can learn anything. Therefore, apart from domain, acquire that, get a vision. The future holds a lot of surprises and lot of treasure. I am sure you will all be able to participate in this future society and be great scientists or doctors or researchers and social workers, whatever it is, with the right attitude. Wish you all the very best. And this has been the 28th celebration of the Grand Slam conducted by BASE. Wish you all the best. Thank you.